Hi, I'm Abram. Today I'm going to show you the groundwater demonstration from Lesson 9 in the Water and Our World Science Unit from the Good and the Beautiful. Let's start with this tall vase, and we're going to layer rocks, sand, and dirt. We'll repeat these layers until our vase is nearly full. Now watch closely as I pour water into the vase. See it slowly trickle down through the layers? Can you identify the unsaturated zone, the water table, the aquifer or saturated zone, the impermeable rock? Okay, let's put even more water into our vase. What happens to the water table? What do you think would cause the water table to rise in certain areas? What might cause it to drop?
Be sure to check out these Open and Go homeschool science units and many more on goodandbeautiful.com. Also, download our free marine biology unit today.